Good morning. How do I calculate adjusted basis for rental property? Well, if you purchase a property for personal use for some years and now you decided to get it ready and rent out, the date you made that conversion, is the date you place it in service for investment or for business. So how do I calculate adjusted basis for rental property in that case? You'll take the original purchase price minus the cost of the land minus any casualty and theft loss deduction that you took. If you took a such deduction on your tax return, you will take it out, and then you will add any improvement you made to the property to get it ready to rent out. So that's how you calculate the adjusted basis. I'm going to repeat that again. The adjusted basis is the original price of the property minus the cost of the land minus any casualty and death losses taken plus any improvement made to the property to get it ready for rent. So you will know the adjusted basis for your rental property, and now you'll find out about the market value of the property. Because you didn't purchase it and rent it out right away, you purchase it, use it for personal use, for personal purposes for a while, and then you decided to convert it into a rental property. So you need to find out about the market value of the property. So the market value, you could either hire an inspector to inspect the place and assess the value, estimate the value of the property for you and the land as well, so you can take it out of it. So yeah, and usually it's good to do that after you are done improving it and getting it ready for rent. It will be a good idea to bring an inspector in to assess the place and give you the fair market value of the property. That's pretty much the price somebody will be willing to pay for it, or that's what a similar property is selling for around your area. But getting it from a professional will be the best things to do. I know that you could access the market value from your county assessor website as well, and I don't know how they assess properties value, but they do that to calculate the property tax, the state property tax that they will charge you on your property, and they update it often, year after year. You could take a look at that value as well, and usually inspector will take that into consideration. But it's good to get a second opinion from an inspector so that you have a record, so you know the adjusted basis of your rental property, the fair market value of the rental property. So now, what is the basis for depreciation for your rental property? So the basis for depreciation on a rental property is the lesser of its adjusted basis and its fair market value at the time of conversion from personal use to business use or for rental. So keep in mind that any deduction or depreciation taken or entitled to take but you didn't take, you should be deducted from that basis as well to come up with the basis for depreciation for your rental property. And what is basis for depreciation? That's pretty much that amount that we are talking about rental property. So that means is going to be depreciated for 27.5 years. So that's the basis for depreciation, is the amount that you are going to recover over the useful life of the property, which is 27.5 years, or unless you take it out of service before that. So that's the basis for depreciation, the amount you are trying to recover over the useful life of your property, which is over the recovery period, which is 27.5 years. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. We thank you for all your comments. I'm Afiavi Ojune Libreman, creators of Lebanon Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, Lebanon Consulting L.L.C podcast, and ninasoup.com, our blog. We do have a free download session on ninasoup.com where we have links to IRS publications and forms, where you can find links to Form 45CC2 at the publication 946, how to depreciate property. That publication is very important if you are trying to depreciate an asset placed in service in 2020, because it has a rate table at the bottom that you need, and we have links to instructions to Form 45CC2 as well there. And you don't need to join our email list to access our free download. They are free. We welcome you to join our community, but it's not a requirement to access our free downloads. We have a category for how to depreciate a business asset, where we have all the articles that discuss the topic. We have it on ninasoup.com, and we have a playlist, video playlist, where we have all the videos related to how to complete 45CC2 depreciation and amortization. We have a video playlist named 2020 Form 45CC2 depreciation and amortization, where we have all those videos. So if you are figure out how to depreciate an asset, a depreciable asset you place in your business in 2020, we have videos there to help you figure out the right depreciation deduction to take. Thank you so much for your time. We have our online stores, including liberdownload.com, where we have digital products that we sell. We have liberoutlets.com for resale products, ninasoup.com for natural products, and liberlabel.com for custom apparels. At Liber Download, you'll find templates, spreadsheets to help manage your finances and your business. Thank you so much for your time.